Just wanted to do a quick video to show you how you might get a little better water flow out of your Moen Eco Performance shower head. This is a handheld style wand with 4 or 5 different settings, and Moen has put in a flow restrictor in this handle. The handle just unscrews from the from the rest of the faucet and the supply line, so it just literally unscrews by hand right from here. And all you need to improve your flow is a pair of needle nose pliers. This is not a particularly small pair, but it's small enough to get in there and grab what we need to do. So here's what we do. Take your pliers. There's a small blue, I know it's going to be hard to see that, small blue plastic insert in there. Just reach your pliers in, get a little grip on it, give it a tug. This is the flow restrictor. Not required for use, and set it aside in case you want to reinstall it, but go ahead and reinstall this back in your faucet and you will see greatly improved water flow. Hope this helps.